The Association for the Welfare of Women and Indigenous People, Assowip, with mission to promote social change, equality, and peaceful coexistence in collaboration with Integrated Islamic Development Association, IDA, has organized a 2-day training workshop from the 28th to the 29th of August 2020 in Sabga, Tuba Subdivision, Mezam Division of the Northwest Region, aimed at strengthening community dialogue with Mbororo and Non Mbororo communities so as to put an end to intercommunal violence within the Northwest region.
We work in the Northwest with the Mbororo communities on gender-based violence, women empowerment, education of the girl child. We have so many activities that we have carried out during this period of COVID-19. This project, strengthening community dialogue between the Mbororo and the Non Mbororo communities, came when there were constant violence between the two communities, fighting, burning of houses, killings. We wrote a project with the support of Reach Out. It was funded by the United Nations Peace Building Fund to be implemented by UNESCO. I believe we have trained mediators who will train peace mediators in the various communities to stop conflicts between these two communities.
I facilitated two sessions on building community peace and strengthening community dialogue. And in these two sessions, I employed this bridge model where we look at the problems where we are standing now, and then we look at the ocean in front of us and the bright future we want to get to. And I think that the participants found this model very, very enriching because they identify with it. They were the ones who actually came up with what their problems are, and at the same time propose the solutions, which are the different steps that we use to put the pieces together. We looked at what it means to be a dialogue facilitator, and we examined the various principles and the skills that they need to adopt at each level to be able to do this work effectively.
The participants at the workshop back home knowledge on peace building, community mediation, and are ready to impact their respective communities.
All we need to do is that we need to understand the two religions and live with the religions. We should take our differences and try to see how we can work them out. I'm going to go home and start preaching peace.
I've learned how to handle problems in the society, even in the community or in the families. I've grabbed some knowledge, so I'm very happy, and I thank the association for creating this workshop.
I've learned a lot of things here. I will take it back to my community and teach others. I have learned how to train and solve problems in my community.
The project, implemented by Assowip within the Northwest region, is expected to last for 12 months, and it's being funded by the United Nations Peace Building Fund with supervision from UNESCO.